Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, guys. So these are for your daily energy, Scorpios. This is for your career situation, guys, and this card is for your relationship. So we will open the cards as we proceed, and I'll be picking one card from the angel guidance deck. So I will keep this card here. We will open that card at last, guys. So for your daily energy, Scorpios, Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups in reverse, and Justice. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, this may relate to your personal life or your career situation, Scorpios. And in your situation today, guys, you may be facing some kind of loss. It may be a material loss, or it may be you may feel that your time and energy has been wasted because whatever you have expected has not happened. So you feel that whatever efforts you have put in has not given the result, and your efforts have been wasted. So that is what you feel, and you are a person who has a particular view about any situation. So whatever you do, you have a firm conviction, responsibility, and you do it in a particular way. You are a person of great responsibility, and you see that you do anything only when you have that inspiration and confidence to do it. And you are also a person who works towards your goals and achievements, guys. So that is what I see, and you are a person who puts in efforts to reach the goal, whatever destination you want to reach for yourself, that accomplishments you work it towards your visions, whatever you have for yourself. That is what I see with this card, guys. And also in your situation, again, it may relate to your personal life or your career situation. You are a person who is able to maintain that responsibility and burdens effectively, bring that harmony in your situation, guys. And you have that clear thinking. You think any situation clearly before you take that action, and you are a person of great adjustments. You try to be really flexible, Scorpios. That is what I see here today. You are trying to be flexible. You are deciding what you need to do in your situation. You are clearly aware of your needs and what efforts you need to put in, and you are making in the decision. So that is what I see. Again, this may relate to your career situation, maybe some decisions in your work regarding projects, or some kind of responsibilities that you have. So you have a clear vision what you need to do, or it may relate to your personal life also. So whatever plans you have for yourself or your future together with this person, so whatever it is, you are able to bring that harmony and balance in that relationship, guys. Or you are trying to bring that harmony and balance in your relationship. You are trying to adjust, make adjustments in this connection, guys, to bring it to bring that balance and harmony. So that is what I see with this card. So what is the card for your career situation? We'll open that card now. It's Six of Wands in reverse, guys. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you may be you may see some people competing with you. Maybe it may be the people you are working with, your colleagues, or it may be some business, some other business, people who are competing with you. So you may be owning a business, so some other business for some projects or some deals, they may be working against you or trying to compete with you, and you may have certain apprehensions towards these people, or fear or some worry that they may grab your opportunities. So for some of you, you may be really worried. But I also see here with this card, guys, there is no need for you to fear. Things will turn out good for you. So maybe you are expecting some good results, something you need to hear, some decisions on the projects or some agreements you may be signing. So all that, whatever you are expecting, may come towards you. Maybe it may take a little time, but it is going to come for your benefit. That is what I see with this card here, Scorpios. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's the Temperance in reverse. So with this card, guys, it may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. So maybe some of you are strongly into some kind of beliefs, or you may have faith, and your person may have some other faith. So your faith may differ, or your beliefs, it may differ, guys, and you may not find that common ground in your belief systems, both of you. So you may get into some minor arguments or some kind of heated discussions. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, this person with whom you are in connection, they may see you as a very successful person, and they may have jealousy and envy towards you. So they may try to compete with you, guys. So that is also what I see here, Scorpios. So this person, maybe for some of you, this person sees you as a source of inspiration, how you handle your situation and how you go about in your work and in your daily life. But some of them may see you as a competition, guys. That is also what I see with this card here, Scorpios. So let us see what is your angel's guidance, guys. So this is a general guidance card. This may be something we can adapt in our life to make our days a better one, guys. So it may or may not relate to your situation today, Scorpios. Universal heart. So with this card, guys, Scorpios, in your situation today, maybe for some of you, you are in connection with a twin flame or soulmate. You would have felt that deep bond or that familiarity with this person even at the first time. So that is what this card is about, guys. So with this card, the energy is that whatever our situation is, guys, each and every one of us are related to the other person, and our energy affects the people who live with us, the people around us. So we have to have that love and affection towards the people whom we live. So if we are happy and if we go for that positive actions, we create that positive impact in our present, and that will also impact our future. So we need to go for that heart-filled love and compassion and understanding in any situation. So when you do that, when you base your actions on love, maybe unconditional love if possible, it will bring us that unconditional love from the people around us, and it will make our life a very positive one, Scorpio. So that is what I see with this card, guys, and that is a reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.